Blendspace is under my topic of content. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you what teachers can do with Blendspace. Teachers can use Blendspace to flip their classroom for project-based learning and for differentiated instruction. Blendspace can be used to organize, to collect web resources in one place and share with just one click or one link, for access, to measure students' understanding with built-in quizzes, and to track. Blendspace allows us to monitor student progress and adapt to student needs in real time. So to find Blendspace, simply search the Google Chrome Web Store and search for Blendspace. Blendspace is web-based, it is a free app, and works on any device. So you would simply click on Blendspace and add it. Then you would go to Blendspace homepage. You would sign up for an account, and then when it was time to create your lesson, I'm going to show you how you would do that now. You can start by adding any kind of content you want. You could select the template in which you would like for your content to show up. So if it was a square, if it was grid, bar, trio, and mosaic. So you can select whichever kind of organization that you would like. You can select your theme. You can play, which I'm going to exit out of this now because I don't think we need to do that right now during this tutorial. You can print, and everything that you do in Blendspace is auto-saved, so you're not having to go to a file and save, which we had to in other applications. So as we add content, over here along the right hand side are your options to what content you would like to add. So you can search for YouTube videos within your area. So for example, my first area of content, I wanted to add a video on basic X-ray principles. So you simply type in what you are searching for, whatever it may be. So I'll just type this in again to show you. And Blendspace will search within YouTube for videos that are related to your topic that you have searched for. You can scroll down and even click on the more if the ones that pop up aren't you would like to continue to search. To get out of the YouTube search, simply click on it again. You also have the option to search in Google. From inside Blendspace, search Flickr. You can search Educreations, search Guru, insert a web page, upload a media file. So this would be if you want to maybe choose a file from a jump drive or something like that, or your desktop. Anything like that, that is where you would do that. You can also insert from your Dropbox, insert from your Google Drive, and insert a bookmark. So those are your options as far as what kind of content you would like to upload. Once you do that, which let me just show you here just a moment. Let's choose another file just so I can show you how to put that into your Blendspace, your content area. Once you have uploaded your file or your YouTube video, whatever it is, then you would simply drag that over to your content area, to your lesson. I'm not going to do that because I don't want it in there, so then I'm going to click off of that again to take it off. Once you have your content all within your lesson, you do have the option to change the order. So if you wanted to change the order of something, you simply drag and drop on wherever you would like those to go. Then if I want to change these back, I'm simply dropping. If you would like to, if you add a content and then you then decide that you would like to delete that content, there is an X in the bottom left-hand corner of each content box. If you X that, that simply deletes it or removes it from your lesson. You can also edit the description. and expand to make it larger. In the upper right hand corner of each content, it's going to tell you what type it is. So my first content is a video, my second content is another video, my third content is PowerPoint, my fifth content is a web link, and my sixth content is a Word document or a Google document, and my seventh is a picture from Flickr. Now on my content area number 4, I have a quiz loaded into my lesson. We can also use Blendspace to assess the students. We can actually place built-in quizzes in our lessons to quiz the students. So I have added one to demonstrate for you. To add a quiz, you would simply click on the blank box and you're going to see the option to add the quiz. So in that option, you would enter the question, your answers on the left-hand side. You would mark the correct answer. To add additional answers, you would simply click the addition button on the bottom. Then after, if you wanted to add more than one question, you could add a question in the bottom left-hand side. Once you're done, click Done. I'm going to cancel that because I'm not sure which one it's on. I'm going to go ahead and delete this quiz since it was just for practice. And then I'm going to open the quiz that I have already created to show you. So I have added a question: what determines the shades of gray on a CT image? The student would then practice to answer the questions, selecting the proper answer of the quantity of X-ray photons, and then submit their response. The quiz will tell them if they are correct or incorrect, and then to exit the quiz, you would simply press the X at the upper right-hand corner. To share our lesson with our students once we have gotten all of our content loaded in Blendspace, up in the top right-hand corner, we have the option to share our Blendspace. So I mentioned in the beginning that we have the capability to collect our web resources in one place and share with just one link. You will see when you're ready to share your lesson with your students, you're going to come up with a link that you can copy and share. You have the option to select the privacy, so you can select who can view the lesson and which resources can be copied from this lesson. Make sure you have those privacy settings set to your preference, and then when you're ready to share, you can copy the link and share it with your students. I hope that you find Blendspace very useful for your lesson planning and for your students. Thank you.